Hi, this is Kayla Murphy from the Fabric Garden in Madison, Maine and fabricgarden.com. I would like to invite you to our 40th anniversary. We have our anniversary sale from May 5th through the 19th. Through the whole sale, all fabrics in the store are 15 to 50% off, with also the sale cottage 15% off. So wonderful selection of fabrics. We also have all our sewing machines on sale for our anniversary with a free gift. One in particular is the Memorycraft 15,000, is actually going to have a machine from Janome 2030 model, which is a great travel machine worth $500 free with the purchase. So I also would like to mention we have a lot of fun things going on. If you look across the table, almost looks like Christmas. I am going to be putting together, we have some nice door prize and drawings for our anniversary. We're going to have our grand prize of a $400 shopping spree into the Fabric Garden. So whoever wins $400, just like get that cart and fill it up. We also will be doing 40 gift bags worth $40 each. So you have 41 chances throughout the whole sale. Come in every day if you want, sign up. Grand prize of $400, 40 gift bags. This Saturday only, to kick off our open house from 9 to 3, we're going to do the spin the wheel. Every piece will be filled in with a prize. So you just spin to win, just like at the fair. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. So I hope to see you. Also, the Bankery is making our beautiful cake, so come in and enjoy some beautiful cake from the Bankery, and we'd love to see you. But most important, I'd like to say, thanks to you, we're 40. It's been a milestone, and I've been very pleased to get here with all the help of everyone that comes into the store and everyone that's been working with us. So thank you so much, and we hope to see you.